Looking to turn your keyboard into something truly unique? The MiTo XDA Canvas Keycap set lets you create your own work of art. Your keyboard becomes the canvas, and every keycap a brushstroke. Designed to blend form and function, this set is perfect for anyone ready to upgrade their typing experience with style and substance. Inspired by Dieter Rams, a pioneer of the German design renaissance, these keycaps embrace his 10 principles of good design. The result is a minimal yet striking aesthetic that uses neutral grays and subtle tones to fit seamlessly into any workspace. Whether you're in a bright office or working late with subdued lighting, the Canvas set adds a refined, premium look without overpowering your setup. The keycaps are sculpted in the XDA profile, similar to DSA, offering a uniform height that ensures maximum compatibility across different keyboard layouts. This set works flawlessly with Cherry MX switches and their clones, including Kaihua, Halo, and Gateron. That means whether you're customizing a mechanical keyboard for gaming, coding, or everyday use, these keycaps fit right in. Customization goes beyond just looks. The MiTo XDA Canvas set offers kits tailored for popular boards like the Control, TKL, Alt, 65%, Shift, Full 1800, Prionic, and Planck, Ortho. If your keyboard shares a similar layout, chances are this set will fit perfectly. For ortholinear enthusiasts, the 64-key kit covers Prionic and Planck keyboards, giving you that clean, grid-like feel with premium materials. One user from the United States shared how these keycaps transformed their Keychron K4. Though the kit didn't align perfectly with the 1800 layout, it included enough caps to cover every key with minor repurposing, like using the red ESC key as a second meta key. The result? A keyboard that feels far more premium, with a subtle sound depth boost on red switches and a satisfying weight that enhances every keystroke. The only small drawback was the absence of locator nubs on the F, J, and numpad 5 keys, which some users rely on for tactile orientation. Still, the included slightly concave alternative keys help, making visual confirmation easier. If you're ready to elevate your keyboard beyond the ordinary, the MiTo XDA Canvas Keycap set offers a perfect balance of style, compatibility, and quality. It's worth a look if you want your keyboard to reflect your personal taste while improving the feel of every press. Try it when you're ready to turn your everyday typing into a more enjoyable, artistic experience.